How to turn on or off Shake to Undo on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provides equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. This section lets you manage touch-related settings. Here, scroll down until you find the Shake to Undo option. This feature allows you to undo an action by shaking your device. To disable it, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Shake to Undo to turn it off. If you want to enable the feature, tap on the toggle switch again to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off Shake to Undo on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.